Hello everyone, welcome back to my series of flip throughs of every month for this custom bullet journal that I made for my sister. So I think this month had my favorite theme of all the themes I did, which is houseplants. If you couldn't tell by the name of this channel, I like planning and I love plants. Houseplants are like my passion right now and have been for a little while. So again, this whole little layout that I did plant themed made me super happy and just super excited to do. I had a ball just drawing all the types of plants that you will see in this flip through. So for the title, I kept the page very simple. I just did, I guess I'd call them terracotta pots out of a reddish brown with some dark brown dots for the soil. I put a couple of them on a little shelving thing, and I wanted it to look like these were different shaped like wire trellises spelling out the word March, and I think I kind of hit the nail on the head with that one. I think they look perfect and it turned out exactly how I expected it. For the days, I just took the lighter greens that I was using and just kind of filled in all of the days in different colors. I wanted to keep it like really free flowing and kind of sketchy looking. So instead of drawing just like perfectly straight lines with the brown, I kind of made them a little wavy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then also still kept the important date section at the bottom down here. For the monthly dashboard, I kept it very plain and very blank for her to fill out as she needed. I drew these cute little baby plants up here by the habits section, and then down at the bottom of what usually is the brain dump page, I drew a bunch of little plants as well. This one, obviously just like a generic leafy plant, a cacti. This one was inspired by like the burrow tails or string of pearls, string of bananas, that type of plant. This one kind of reminded me of a bonsai, not really sure what I was going for here. Small cacti and then like a small spider plant looking one. Oh my gosh, I love this layout. If I could like photocopy this layout and keep it forever, I would. It made me so happy to draw. I love how it turned out. It is gorgeous. I think it was inspired by something I found on Pinterest, which if I find, I will insert here in the video.
Here is a screenshot of the doodle I found by Izzy Odds on Pinterest.
So I sketched this one out in pencil before doing anything. I just drew in a bunch of boxes. I drew in a couple of shelves and a couple pots, and then I went in and did all of the greens and browns first, I think, and then it came in with the black pen afterwards. So I have like, I don't remember what this plant is called, but it's one of those, it looks like a hanging vine, but they're like little sections, almost like bamboo. I don't remember what it's called, but it's a super fun plant that just kind of hangs there. I did a fiddle leaf fig, a monstera with an unfurling leaf that I love, small cacti, some kind of snake plant. This one reminded me of my spider plant, and then another string of turtles or string of pearls looking thing. So for this one, I just wanted it to be very simple and viney, I guess. So I made all of the days cursive, all connected into a line with 3 hanging plants, kind of like a pothos. I thought this was like super cool, super simple. I think I also found inspiration off of a Pinterest post for this one. Insert here. The next layout I did was very green, very green. So I did all of the days, just kind of a squiggle with a title, blank to do area, and then a bunch of plants at the bottom again. I did some type of pothos, like 2 little sprouts, some cacti, a single monstera leaf. These I hope it looked like succulents, because that's what I was going for. A grassy or spider type plant, and another snake plant. And this kind of reminds me of like a little container of microgreens, honestly. For the last layout of the month of March, I wanted it to look like a windowsill, so I did like 2 lines of a Crayola super tip marker, so it kind of looks like you could just pull it open like a window, and then a windowsill planter down here with different vines kind of starting to creep their way up. I thought it was super cute and super nice, nice looking. And then this page is completely blank for to-dos. And then the next page I also kept green. I did the final weeks page. I know that finals aren't until like the end of April, early May, so I wanted to have this in between March and April so that when she knows all of her finals dates, she can fill them in here. And I didn't like how small the boxes were for the last finals week for the last finals weeks that I did. So I made these much bigger, so there's plenty of space to write in not only the exam and when it is, where it is, but also like possible topics that she also needs to study that day for the next exams. So I just wanted the layout to be bigger and a little earlier on in the semester. And that is all for the month of March and the houseplant theme. Again, this was one of my favorite layouts that I did. Here are some other inspiration doodles that I used that I found off of Pinterest. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe took a little bit of inspiration from either my work or the work of others that I showed on the screen. And please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. So I hope to see you all again in the next video. Bye!